What is up, guys? Today we got Devin back. He is Rona free now. We got the Highlifter, Rzr Turbo XP. We are gonna be putting on some of these Kemimoto rear view mirrors. So you want to unbox these things?
Yeah.
And the Highlifter came with a mirror, but it is way less wide than this one. So we're gonna try this one out. Looks super wide, pretty cool. Got two brackets to go around the cage. I'm sure these fit other rides, but we're gonna be putting them on our Rzrs. And in both of them it comes with the Allen wrench tools, so you don't have to have any tools but what they send you. So let's go ahead and put these things on. So pretty much all you're going to do is slide that around your cage and slide the new part on and then put your bolts in. I guess we'll just leave them a little loose so we can move them to where the mirror will fit, and we'll put that mirror on, check it out. And then all you'll do is come to your other side and put the other one on, and we'll be ready to put the actual mirror on there. I believe it is just a butterfly nut, I believe. But basically what we need these rear view mirrors is for is when we ever get in a race with that Ranger over there, we'll be able to see him behind us. Sorry, Keith. And you'll just slide it in with the mirror on the inside of the brackets. Put your butterfly clip on, and whichever, I think it's got like 3 different positions. Actually no, it's got 4. So it's got 4 different positions if you have to lower it or raise it. So I guess it's just whatever you want, what suits you best. If you have to clear something in the way, you can lower it. Yeah, that's pretty cool. That's a super wide view. No, I had the stock Polaris one that came on the Highlifter on mine, and it's good, but it's not as wide. I think this one's going to be a little better as far as seeing a lot more. So generally these will fit pretty much any side by side. It's kind of a universal mirror. It goes from a 1.65 inch to 2 inch. Which is suitable for most. And then it's got the frame is aluminum alloy, and it's got the rubber cushions that it's going to minimize the risk of it breaking, and the cushions are going to help it from vibrating and all that good stuff. And it's got the anti-skid gears when you tighten it down, so it'll stay still when you're going over bumps and stuff. And it's got the wider view than most of them, so that's pretty good. It's a definite plus. It's a great addition. So let's move on over here and put this one on the Highlifter. See how well it fits. Alright, so now it's time to see if it'll fit on the Highlifter. The only reason it wouldn't fit would be because of our Audioforms radio, but from the looks of it, looks like it's going to work out. The procedure is the same as it was on the other. So far so good. It's gonna work on the Highlifter. I think you did yours on the top one.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna try this one on the third one. Alright, so if you have a Rzr Highlifter, you have audio forms top on it, this mirror will definitely work. It's way wider. Let me go grab the old one. Show. This is a Polaris brand. You can see that the Kemimoto is a lot wider. This one is a lot thicker, but they're both pretty great. But I kind of like this Kemimoto one better because I can see off to the sides a lot more, and rather than having this one. So probably gonna trash this one and go with the Kemimoto. What did you think about it? Did you like the mirror? He said he's not impressed. So we rode all yesterday, and I gotta say I do approve of the mirror. So if y'all want one, I'll post a link in the description, and just remember that this does work for more than just a Rzr. It works for all sorts, but you can check that out in this link that I'll post in the description. But until next time, we'll see y'all later. Y'all don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see y'all guys later.